Hi guys, how are you? So, I'm back. I know I haven't been on for a while. Just had so much going on, but I'm back. And one of the things that I've noticed that a lot of people enjoy and love is our Peruvian dish. What can I say? It's a yummy dish. So, today I'm prepping for tomorrow because this appetizer is called Anticuchos, which is Peruvian shish kebab, which I love, and so do my children. So it brings so much joy doing it, gives you that butterfly feeling. It does to me. So, with that being said, um, our anticuchos is cow's heart. It's yummy, but it is in a Peruvian dish. They sell it in the bazaar supermarket here in New York and anywhere where they sell Peruvian items. Okay, so one of the things that you do need is ají panca. So this is one of our peppers that we use, and I like it in pasta sauce. I mean, they sell the whole pepper itself, where you need to boil it and then make it into pasta, but it's already in pasta. Why have to do all that? And then I do buy the garlic and then I blend it. I actually blended it here at home. You can do that, or you could buy the garlics. I don't like buying the garlics that's cut up because it's dipped in some type of sauce, and I don't know what that sauce is, and it might change the flavor, and that's the last thing you want to do. So I like buying the regular peeled garlic, and I blend it myself, and I add a little bit of salt so that it could last here for like about maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks tops. Okay, so we got the hipanca, we have the garlic, salt. You need salt. We have comino. You need comino and you need black pepper. Okay, so basically what I'm doing tonight is I'm just putting it together. I'm prepping it. I'm gonna put all the sauces together. I normally put it in a dish and then I throw it in with the beef. It's called beef heart. You can see it as beef heart, cow's heart. It's just a cow's heart at the end of the day. Okay, so you want to make sure, remember, this is shish kebab. You don't want it too thick. It's going to cook really quick. You don't want to overcook it because then it's nasty. It's really dry, horrible. You don't want to make it raw either. So you just want a perfect thickness to it. Okay. And what I like to, this is the way I purchased it. I haven't even done anything. I like taking it and slicing it up so that the seasoning can actually go in as it marinates all night. And other than that, that's pretty much it. If it's too big, because remember it shrinks. I mean, this is something huge. I'd probably cut it. That's it. Okay, I normally tend to do this with gloves because this right here, it leaves your hand nice and red. And remember, you gotta mix it as you season it. So I do like using my hands when I'm doing this. However, I don't have gloves today, and I really wanted to do this because I was requested this dish, and I don't mind doing it. I love doing it, and I didn't purchase the gloves. I purchased everything else except the gloves. So what I'm going to do is I bought a few of these. So I'm just going to chop it up into small pieces. And I'm just going to slice it up a little bit again so the sauce can go in it. I'm going to put it in a bowl. I don't have a huge bowl, so I got one of these foils. Or I'm going to place it in, season it up. I'm going to pause it now, but then I'll come back and I'll show you how. As promised. So I didn't put anything together yet. We're gonna put it all together. We're gonna put it all together. That's cute. Again, black pepper, comino, ajos. Remember, I blend it and then I pour it in that little thingy. Sal, yeah, hipanca. Okay, super important. Remember, I don't measure because I wasn't taught to measure, so I'm not gonna stray you wrong. Toda la medida, mi mamá decía así, exactamente como se lo estoy diciendo. Toda la medida, hija. Y yo, okay. But only one day, I tell you how happy many have been with my meal. I'm just gonna grab a plastic spoon. Just give me a second. A plastic spoon. Okay. If you are a true chef, tasting this would not be nasty to you. You'll be like, this tastes really good. When you need to loosen it up, add oil and vinegar. Here's my oil, a little bit of oil, and a little bit of vinegar. But it tastes really good. This is the thing where I purchased the garlic. Está bien saladito. I don't know, I love salty food. That's just me. No le vamos a echar mucho vinagrito, pero nomás para soltarle. ¿Sí? Much better. That's what you want to see. But more importantly than that, this shit tastes so good. Tastes really good. No le quiero ni agregar ni quitarle nada. So, I hope it's enough for all of this. If not, we're screwed. Pero, como dijo la abuelita, mientras que lo haces con un buen corazón, a ti te va a salir muy bien. Y recuerda, esto se estaba supuesto hacer con guantes. Yo no tengo guantes. I don't have gloves. But, unfortunately, your hand has to be super clean. Y vas a tener que meterle mano en esto. And that's why I leave the cleaning to last. Okay. So, básicamente, quieres asegurarte que le has cortado. Todas las piezas tienen slices. Porque I love my meat super sliced up. Okay. Y te aseguras que todas las piezas tienen el sazoncito que le acabas de hacer. Y que el sazoncito te sabe a ti rico. Porque si no, no va a saber nada rico. Ok. Se ve bueno, se ve chévere. Mira eso. Eso se ve lindo. Me encanta. Ay, tenía que subir las mangas. Pero está bien. Tranquila. Mira. Mira qué chulo se ve eso. Mira eso. So, aquí lo voy a tapar, lo voy a meter al frigider y mañana lo vamos a freír. Ok, aparte de eso, no más nada que enseñarle. Oh my god, I'm so excited. But I'm so eager to eat this. If it wasn't so late, I'd fry me some right now. But other than that, good night, guys. I love you. Take care. Have a good one. My baby, he's cooking. So cute.
So I don't eat it.
So cute. ¿Ah?
No, I don't eat it.
¿Y el otro? ¿Qué hace el otro? ¿Qué hace el otro? Look at him helping out. So,
All we have to do is put it outside. No, for real.
we both in. Hello. Ahora para hacer el ajicito que va con el anticucho, which by the way is looking very yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Entonces usa la cebolla china con rocoto, limoncito, sal y pimienta. Y sale riquísimo. Y eso se le acompaña con el anticucho. Delicious, I tell you. Delicious.
That's the house sauce?
Yeah. Which, by the way, baby, can you get me a Pirex? The Pirex, it's in the oven, baby. Please. The long one, the rectangle one. I'm in the kitchen with my boys today. No bigger blessing than that. No bigger blessing one. Sorry, Mama. I don't want plastic one like that.
That one.
Oh, you think that's too big? That's too small? I think we should grab the other one, right?
For what, the hot sauce? You're not making that much.
Oh, pero esto es riquísimo, pedazo. Vamos a ver.
Oh no, why don't you use a little one like that?
No, porque esto se le echa bastante. ¿Cómo que no?
You're making the one that Emma makes?
No, papi. Este es el ajicito que se hace con
Mom,
el rocoto. Ya tú sabes cómo. Tienes que probar uno que así está adentro. A ver, va. Voy a hacer una más por si acaso. No, esos son dos. Too much solution.
You got plátano?
I need more, I don't know. Okay, so, el ajicito de rocoto. Yes, I like it very spicy. Limon. And papi, we're gonna need the salt. My hands are clean, I promise. Aceitito.
Oh, the one that we put on the steak?
Kind? No. Chimichurri, no.
No?
No, no chimichurri.
I never seen that hot sauce.
This is the hot sauce that we put with Anticuchos.
Well, what's that thing that you're cutting right now?
La cebolla china.
comes in plastic.
Ya, sí, es loca. So, parece que voy a necesitar más limón. Porque...
Oh, you're not gonna have nothing to eat. Put it closer.
Entonces, papi, a mí qué le falta. Como ya comiste un pedacito de anticucho.
Venga. Boy. Because you already ate one.
No, I gotta get my napkin.
What?
No hot sauce?
¿Qué le falta? ¿Más limón? ¿Más sal?
Oh, baby.
¿Qué le falta? Put a little bit of more oil.
No, it's good.
You sure? Because I need to loosen it up a little bit.
I think that's good.
No, to loosen it up a little bit.
Too much oil.
Really thick. Y si le salió muy picante, Tita también dice que se le puede echar agüita. La tía Betita.
Is good?
I love my tía. Good?
Yeah, it's spicy. It's good.
Delicious. So go through the anticucho. I'm gonna come back when everything is nicely prepped, but I'm getting everything ready for the papa la huancaína, which is